Information literacy. What is it? Well, according to the American Library Association, information literacy is a set of abilities requiring individuals to recognize when information is needed and have the ability to locate, evaluate, and effectively use the needed information. This information is becoming increasingly important in contemporary environments of rapid technology change and proliferating information source. So, how do we check our sources? Well, you always need to get the facts and check your sources, especially in these times when we have all types of information spreading across the internet, particularly on multiple different types of fronts about many different subjects. Take, for instance, these two sites evaluating evolution. The first one is called Understanding Evolution. It's Evolution 101, and it's from the Berkeley education system. First of all, we can go on this site and read information about evolution. There's patterns and mechanisms and all types of things regarding evolution. And we can check where this information comes from. So first of all, we can look at the site and see the About tab, which gives a credit section, a collaboration section, and importantly, a funding section. It's always important to see where your site or your source of information, where their funding is coming from. In particular, this one is coming from a National Science Foundation, and even provides for us the grant numbers that are funding this type of dissemination of information. It gives credit to the universities that are supporting this, and it also tells you who the collaborators are. And you can further investigate these sites by clicking on live active links. Now take, for instance, this evolution website called Kick-Ass Facts About Evolution. 38 facts about evolution. And we can scroll down and we can see when it was created. We can also see the facts, the kick-ass facts about evolution. But anywhere on the website, when we try to locate who the actual curator of the site is, particularly if we go down to the bottom, we don't find anybody responsible for curating or maintaining this site. We can, however, look at Kick-Ass Facts About Evolution, and at the end of each one they do have a live link for a source. When we click on that link, each one of them takes us to the Free Encyclopedia Wikipedia page, which is not a bad source, but is an open source information page that anyone can edit. Not to say that Wikipedia isn't a reliable source, because usually most pieces of information maintained on Wikipedia are constantly updated by people who have background experience. And Wikipedia also has a reference page so you can see where people actually cite evidence. However, if we go back to 38 Kick-Ass Facts About Evolution, they are merely linking to an open source resource for information. Nowhere on this site can you find anywhere or anything that tells you about who the people are who are maintaining these kick-ass facts about evolution. It's very important to get the facts and always check your sources.